My name is John Walsh with the Logic Group, and in this video I am going to show how the boards are connected to make a jumbo tracer and digitize very large patterns. I simply take the boards out of the boxes and I then put them on a table, or I have folding tables. Then in the corner of the board are these plastic pieces. I've taken the corners off of the two corners here to expose the sides. Now the sides have a groove here, and we provide this nice bar that goes into that groove. So I just slide this bar right in that groove between the two boards, and it anchors the boards really well together. Now I don't have to worry too much about where the boards are relative to each other because we're going to calibrate them later. We then have a metal bar here. We've got these sliders that go in the side, and we simply attach that bar to the sliders, and then that makes it nice and tight, and we do that on both sides. I've got the one on the other already done on the other side. Over here I have a power supply. It's a 110-220 power supply. Also has the different connections for different countries. That power supply plugs in right into the back of the board, and then I have a cable that attaches to the back of the board. To each of the boards I've got different cables. I attach that cable there, and then the cable attaches to a serial to USB box. Here's the cable for the other one, and then there's a USB cable that goes from there into the back of the computer. We provide all the hardware that's needed. All I have to do is put the cables underneath the board, and then we're ready to calibrate. Thank you.